Lion Leads review. In today's review, I am going to be reviewing an info course through which you will learn how to attract buyer leads and make money. And this is a six-part course basically. And make sure that you stay till the end of this video review so that I'll be telling you about the upsells, the OTOs, the various advantages and the disadvantages of this particular offer so that you can make an informed decision on what you are buying and what is right for you. So, if you are new to my channel, my name is Prakash and I'm a digital affiliate marketer, and I like making videos like this, and I make videos like this from time to time, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I come out with a review video like this. So let me dive into this particular thing. At any time during the review video you want to pick up or have a look at the actual product itself, just click on the link in the description below, and you can it will go over to my sales page through my bonus page, and where you can grab this particular product. So in a nutshell, Lion Leads enables you to deploy free automated buyer traffic from untapped sources in over 60 seconds with a 100% proven method to earn more targeted leads for free. So Lion Leads is newbie friendly, and so it doesn't require any tech skill or marketing experience. You can make some good money using this particular info course called Lion Leads. If this sounds like something you're interested in, just click on the link in the description below. The link will take you through to my bonus page, which looks something like this, and all you have to do is click on any of these yellow buttons here, and this will take you over to my sales page, and where this link sales page is like this, and you can just pick up this product by clicking this yellow button here, and the front end is going to cost you around $9.95 US, and this will be live as of on the 7th of December, 11 a.m. Eastern. So it will be live, and these links will be live only at that time. So I don't want you to miss on. I win a lot of free bonuses as every time as I do. So this time also I win you a lot of free bonuses, but this time free bonuses are absolutely incongruent with the product, and you can make a lot of money using my products also along with this particular offer, Lion Leads. So I don't want you to miss out on the bonuses, because I put in a lot of time to put these bonuses together for you, and so that you can get the best of this particular Lion Leads. So let us have a look at the demo video now before I proceed further.
A product so that they can make a purchase. That's how you can generate from Lion Leads. Lion Leads makes a craving for your leads. If you are very much concerned with such a thing, go get
Yeah, so that was my demo video. Let's have a quick look at the bonuses I put in for you. Bonus number one is you will be getting access to product, the 7-minute sales mission. In this bonus, you will be getting access to a complete course on CPA offers. You will learn what offers to choose and what offers to promote. Actually, this particular course is about two things. One is building lists and the other is about CPA marketing. So CPA marketing is basically, CPA stands for cost per action, and no, you can really make money here. Nothing to sell. So your people are ready to give you their address, or is just asking for their email ID or their address or their phone number, so that you can just click. You can just make money out of this particular CPA offers. So bonus number two is what I've given you what I've given you access to is a Bing Ads training. And Bing Ads, why I've included Bing Ads is Bing Ads is a very good source of traffic. You can make some good money using Bing Ads, and it's a lesser known traffic, a cheaper traffic alternative to Google search ads and display ads. So it's a very good source of traffic. So Bing Ads training, this is my bonus number two. And bonus number three is you'll be getting access to a CPA super course, make money from CPA. So this is the bonus. In this bonus, you will be getting access to a full-fledged course on CPA marketing. You will also be learning how to get traffic to these offers. This is my bonus number three. Bonus number four is Octane Pro course. Inside this bonus, you will be getting access to a high-quality tutorial on how to monetize your videos, and you will also be learning some good hacks through which you can make some good money. So this is my fourth bonus. And bonus number five is I given access to all the vendor bonuses that the vendor has given me to give it to you. And you are getting access to 3 premium bonuses, and all these bonuses are mentioned will be available to you in the members area. So all these bonuses along with my bonuses are 100% free of charge, even though you pick up the front end, which is just going to cost you around $9.95. To get these bonuses, all you have to do is scroll the link in the description. Just click the link in the description below, which will take you to my bonus page, which looks something like this. I've shown you. Just click on these yellow buttons. It will take you to the sales page, and there you can pick up this product on the sales page. And after that, you will be coming to Warrior Plus payment gateway, and after you make the payment, you will be coming to a page like this, which on the right hand corner your username or your affiliate ID is displayed. Just click on that, come to purchase history. Just click on the purchase history. It goes to a page where you have to click on the link Lion Leads, and that will bring you through to a page like this called receipt page. Just click on this green button here, you access your purchase. Just down below is a blue button. Just click on this blue button and you will access all your bonuses in this particular page. So that's how you get access to all these bonuses. So let me just now quickly talk to you about the OTOs. What Mr. Sidrit has put for you is front end cost or $9.95 US. OTO 1 is Lion Leads resell rights, which costs around $18.95 US, and a one-to-one coaching is going to cost you around $97. I think the one-to-one coaching is really worth it, because nobody gives you a one-to-one coaching at as low as $97. So it's a good offer for this particular price. So let's just have a look at the sales page before I get into the thing. So the sales page here tells us, this is the sales page here. Yeah, Crush It with Lion Leads. This course enables you to deploy free automated buyer traffic from untapped sources in 60 seconds or less. So this is your sales page here. Free traffic and sales freedom in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, secure a copy of Lion Leads. Step 2, deploy free automated buyer traffic from untapped sources. And step 3, get free buyer traffic in 60 seconds or less. And there are a lot of testimonials here and also a money back guarantee for the product. So this is about the sales page, and just let me have a look at the members area now. And the members area looks something like this, and this is Shadrid here talking. And required tools, video number 1. Video number 2 is he's talking about how to create a lead page, a squeeze page, how to have an Aweber setup, Aweber integration using Thrive to build a list, and how to get free automated traffic, and also how to divert this traffic to CPA offers, and and help you make money online. So this is about the course, guys, for $9.95. It is a bit too much, but yes, it is a price worth it if you're a newbie and want to really make some money online. So this is this comes to the end of this review, Lion Leads. And if you're watching this video, there are 50% chances that you're not subscribed to my channel. So, and there's a 100% chance that you can do so now. So kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you really like this video, so it encourages me to make more videos like this in the future. So thank you very much, guys, and until my next review,